Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to use your Tesla Model S key fob to control essential vehicle functions. We'll cover locking, unlocking, trunk access, and the summon feature. As of January 2026, the Tesla key fob is a compact card-style device that communicates with your car via Bluetooth and NFC. Tesla has phased out the older key design. The current fob is compatible with over-the-air updates, enhancing its features and security. The primary function of the key fob is locking and unlocking your Model S. A single press of the lock button secures all doors, the front, and the rear trunk. Press the lock button once to secure everything. A double press of the lock button unlocks all doors. Proximity unlock is also enabled. The car automatically unlocks when the fob is within 1 to 2 meters. For added security, the walk-away lock feature automatically engages after 2 minutes of inactivity. The Tesla Model S key fob provides convenient access to both the front and rear trunks of your vehicle. To open or close the rear trunk, simply press the trunk button once. This activates the rear trunk mechanism securely. For the front trunk, or frunk, you have two options with the key fob. Either double press the front button or press and hold it for 2 seconds. This provides flexible access to the front storage area. In addition to the key fob, you can also open the frunk using the Tesla mobile app or the touchscreen inside the vehicle. Note that some newer Model S models support gesture-based trunk opening through the app, but the physical key fob requires manual button presses for security. The summon feature allows you to remotely move your Model S in and out of tight spaces without being inside the vehicle. This is especially useful for maneuvering in parking garages or narrow driveways. To activate Summon, open the Tesla mobile app on your phone and tap the Summon option. You can also use a paired phone as a key fob for this feature. Once activated, the Model S will follow you at a walking speed of up to 6 miles per hour. Walk away from the car, and it will move toward you, using its sensors to navigate safely. For vehicles equipped with full self-driving supervised, Smart Summon takes this further. The car can autonomously navigate complex environments like parking lots or multi-level garages, finding its way to you without requiring you to walk in a straight line. For safety, ensure you have a clear line of sight to the vehicle throughout the process. Always monitor the car's movement closely and be prepared to stop it if needed. Never use Summon on steep inclines or in poor weather conditions. The Summon feature greatly enhances the convenience of owning a Model S, but it requires responsible use and constant attention to ensure safe operation. Smart Summon enhances the regular Summon feature by allowing you to select a specific parking spot or destination within a parking lot. The car uses its AI-powered cameras and ultrasonic sensors to avoid obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles. This feature requires FSD supervised. Regulatory delays have affected its rollout in certain regions like Europe, with phased introductions expected. Always be prepared to take control if needed. The current Model S key fob boasts enhanced battery life, lasting up to 5 years on a single CR2032 coin cell. The CR2032 is a small lithium coin battery commonly used in key fobs and small electronics, providing reliable power for extended periods. The fob is also now waterproof to IP67 standards, making it more durable in various weather conditions. You can monitor the battery status via the Tesla app, which provides low battery alerts to keep you informed. Ensure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi or a cellular network for remote commands to function correctly. A major trend in Tesla key technology is the shift towards digital keys, with Tesla's phone key becoming the preferred method for many Model S owners. According to Tesla's surveys, over 70% of Model S users prefer app-based controls for their convenience, reducing reliance on physical key fobs. Tesla keys now integrate with smart ecosystems like Apple Wallet and Google Pay, enabling seamless digital access and syncing across devices. Looking ahead, AI-driven auto-summon capabilities will enable autonomous parking in urban areas, revolutionizing vehicle access and reducing parking time by up to 40%. Additionally, battery-free key fobs powered by kinetic energy harvesting are in prototype stages, aiming for zero-maintenance devices. Despite these advancements, cybersecurity concerns around Bluetooth vulnerabilities are prompting the shift to ultra-wideband (UWB) technology for enhanced security and accurate proximity detection. If your key fob isn't working, first ensure the battery is not depleted. Try using the Tesla app as an alternative. Keep your car's software updated to benefit from the latest security patches and feature enhancements. Automotive experts praise Tesla's key fob for its intuitiveness, but cybersecurity experts recommend vigilance against relay attacks. Stay informed about firmware updates and best practices to keep your vehicle secure. Thank you for watching.